This is a public service announcement about parental rights at USD 234 in Fort Scott. My name is Clint Heffern. First off, we want your involvement, parents. We want it to be all about the kids. We want to work with you to work together because history and culture and tradition show parental concern of the nurture and upbringing of their children, and it is better if we are in this together. So first off, every student is entitled to a free, appropriate public education. This is defined as special education and related services that meet the following: a public expense under public supervision and direction without charge, meeting the standards of the state, preschool, elementary, secondary, in conformity with individual education programs. Okay, a parent can be more than just a typical parent. Biological, adoptive, person like a grandparent, legal guardian, appointed by education, or a foster parent. So more than one specific parent. Okay, ensure that parents understand their rights. You will be provided a copy of the parental rights and special ed notice to parents at least once per school year and upon your request. So if you want this, if you want to know something, ask about it and we can provide it. You're also supposed to be provided a notice of meetings like evaluations, eligibility, re-evaluations, IEPs, provisions for your child, and have educational decisions to ensure that they get what they need. You have access to any services such as Title I, IEPs, 504s, medical attention, translations, homeless or transitional housing situations to help your child be successful. So you have some stuff that you are entitled to. You have the right for your child to learn in an environment that's free from physical, emotional, or psychological harm. If this has happened, talk to us. We have processes to get this worked out. You also have the right to receive timely, clear communication in regards to all policies or disciplinary actions, grade, processes, enrollment guidelines, staff changes, incidents that may affect your child's education. If problems arise, the order of operations: have your parent talk to the student. Parent should talk to the student first. If that doesn't happen, then the student should talk to the teacher, and then parent can talk to the teacher. If still no resolution's fixed, then talk to the principal, and then you can go to the superintendent or the board. Overall, guys, we want to work with you to give your kids the best education that they deserve. Let's be a team. Let's work together. If you have questions, please let us know.